Introduce features interest for Optoma ZH606-W, 1080p professional installation, laser projector, white chassis. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Optoma ZH606-W, 1080p professional installation laser projector, white chassis. Laser projector 1080p resolution 360 degrees and portrait mode operation, Duracore maintenance-free laser light source up to 30,000 hours. Brighten any room with 6000 lumens, 1080p projection with the remarkable Optoma ProScene ZH606-W, 1080p professional installation laser projector, white chassis. A laser light source eliminates lamp and filter replacements for up to 30,000 hours of low-cost and virtually maintenance-free operation. Its compact size, low weight, and quiet operation make it perfect for boardrooms, higher education, houses of worship and entertainment venues. Vertical lens shift, 4-corner correction, 360 degrees dash, and portrait mode operation enable flexible installations. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.